Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the critical technologies that power the modern web, content delivery networks or CDNs. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing websites or using mobile apps, chances are you're interacting with a CDN right now. But what exactly is a CDN and why are they so essential? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how CDNs work, but also some advanced techniques that make them incredibly efficient. So, let's get started. What is a CDN? In the simplest terms, a CDN is a system of distributed servers that deliver content to users based on their geographic location. Instead of connecting directly to the origin server where the content is hosted, users are routed to the nearest CDN server. This results in faster loading times, lower latency, and improved user experience. Imagine you're browsing a website hosted in New York, but you're in Japan. Without a CDN, every request you make has to travel all the way across the globe. But with a CDN, the content is cached at a nearby location, allowing you to access it much faster. Now let's break down some key features of CDNs and why they're such a game changer for performance and scalability. First, content caching. CDNs cache static content like images, CSS, and JavaScript on servers located closer to users. This reduces the time it takes to load these assets. Next, geographic distribution. CDNs have servers strategically placed around the world. When a user makes a request, they are routed to the nearest server, drastically reducing latency. Then we have load balancing. A CDN can intelligently distribute requests across multiple servers, ensuring no single server is overwhelmed. This also improves reliability during high traffic surges. Security is another key feature. CDNs can act as a buffer between your server and the user, providing security features like DDoS protection, SSL encryption, and even web application firewalls, WAF. Lastly, latency reduction. By bringing content closer to the user and reducing the distance the data must travel, CDNs improve performance by minimizing latency. How does a CDN work? Now let's walk through how a CDN actually works step by step. When a user visits a website or requests content, the domain name system, or DNS, directs them to the nearest CDN server based on their geographic location. If the content is cached on that edge server, the CDN immediately serves the content to the user. If not, it fetches it from the origin server, caches it for future use, and then delivers it to the user. CDNs use various caching strategies, such as time to live or TTL, to determine how long content should be cached before it's refreshed. Advanced topics. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some advanced topics. CDNs are more than just simple caching servers. They employ sophisticated techniques to optimize content delivery. While static content is easy to cache, dynamic content is constantly changing. CDNs use techniques like route optimization and TCP acceleration to speed up the delivery of dynamic content. Many CDNs now offer edge computing capabilities, allowing you to run code, process requests, and even make decisions at the edge. This minimizes the need for requests to travel back to the origin server and reduces latency for real-time applications. CDNs can automatically optimize images and videos for different devices and network conditions. For example, if a user is on a mobile network, the CDN can deliver a lower resolution image or video, reducing bandwidth while maintaining quality. Advanced CDNs offer enhanced security features like bot mitigation, application layer encryption, and threat detection to protect against sophisticated attacks. For global enterprises with millions of users, a single CDN might not be enough. Multi-CDN strategies allow businesses to route traffic through multiple CDNs to ensure better coverage, lower latency, and high availability during traffic spikes. Conclusion. So that's the world of CDNs, from the basics of caching and geographic distribution to advanced techniques like edge computing and multi-CDN strategies. CDNs play an essential role in the modern internet, improving performance, reliability, and security. If you're working on a large-scale web application or just curious about how the web works behind the scenes, understanding CDNs is a must. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more in-depth content on CDNs. See you next time.